1300. Oh, way they go. Fireworks from the outside is Tribal King. Angat ang Pinoy down on the inside. Tribal King Cheese Blanca moving up by the fireworks is racing third by about 3 lengths. Papa Itan, Lucky Lorky, and Angat ang Pinoy is running at the tail of the field. Tribal King by a length and a half, followed by Cheese Blanca in second. And racing in third by about 5 lengths, Papa Ethan. Fireworks racing in fourth by about 2 lengths, Lucky Lorky. Second last, and Angat ang Pinoy. And rounding the far turn, Tribal King on the outside. Cheese Blanca is running down on the inside. Cheese Blanca, Tribal King once again on the outside as they race the final corner. Cheese Blanca, Tribal King fighting back from the outside as they race the last 200. Cheese Blanca, Tribal King is on the outside. Cheese Blanca, Tribal King once again on the outside, fighting it up for the lead. Tribal King, Cheese Blanca, Tribal King, Cheese Blanca. Tribal King winning this race over Cheese Blanca. Angat ang Pinoy, Lucky Lorky's Power, number 4, Papa Ethan, and...
Pagin natin si Mr. Robert Francisco, ang ating Piltobo Director, as one of the presenters. Kasama din po natin from the sponsoring Philippine o PGA Cars ni Mr. Robert Cayuto, represented po dito ni Mr. Manny Santos. At narito na po, nasa harapan na rin pala natin si Mr. Ed Parungaw, ang siyang may-ari ng kabayong Tribal King, winner of race number 11, PGA Cars Philtobo Trophy Race. Added 100,000 to the winner po yan. Okay? Ang ating photo opportunity para dito sa ating race number 11. Kasama din po natin as mga guests, sila Rohana, Abigail, Joyce, and Rose. Okay? That's race number 11. Congratulations to the winning connections of Tribal King.